So everybody, today I'm going to show you how to do FTP configuration in Cisco packet tracer. FTP stands for please adjust Ninja subscription and Ninja support. Please don't forget to subscribe again to my YouTube channel. So let's just jump right into it. So I will take one router here, maybe two or three end devices that we can use it. Two computer here, yeah, two PC, and then we can take the server here. We will also be able to use some switch. There's one switch in the middle here, just like this. So this is the IP that we are going to use. So here we will use 192. Okay, I think I already have it. So 1.1 here. This is 1.2. Okay, 1.3. So we make the server 1.2, and then here will be 1.4 here. So the next thing we will do, we will assign our cables that we will use for all of these devices. So we will use the cable here, and also we will use this one, and also we will use this one also. Yeah, just like this. So the next thing we got to do, we have to assign the IP address to all of these devices. So for the router, first thing we will just double click on the router, come to config, come to gigabyte 0, and then you just paste this IP address 1.1. You switch this router on also, and then you come to this computer, you come to desktop, you come to IP, you paste this IP here. So this one is 1.3, and then the default gateway will be the IP address of the router. Please don't forget. And this one we can do the same thing here. So here will be 1.2 and 1.1. We can do the same thing for this one also. So last one will be 1.4, 1.4, right? Yeah, something like that, 1.4, and then 1.1. So now we are done with this one. So the next thing you need to do, how to go to the server to configure this thing. So you double click on the server, and then you come to services. You come to make sure all of these things they are off. Yes, make sure everything is off just for you not to experience any difficulty or anything. So you just make sure everything is off here. Only this one should be on this FTP. So you come here, FTP is on. So what we need to do, you have to assign the username. So maybe my username can be like Andy. This one is okay. So my password 123. Yeah. So we want to write, we want to read, we can delete also, no problem. You can rename, and then you can list. That's why you have our D and that is write, read, delete, name, and then list. This thing that you are seeing here, it is the same thing that is here. So once you are finished with this one, then you press add. You are ending the password, and then same thing will come here. So we can just close here, and then we'll come to end of this PC. So first thing we need to do, we have to create some test file first in this PC. So you come here, you come to desktop, and then you create some test file here. So this test file, you can take anything you put here. So we can say this is for, sorry. So we can say this is for EATL practice. So we can just say this is for practice. You come here, and then you save. Make sure you can just say maybe PRATSCE practice.txt. Make sure, because this is test file, so make sure it ends with test txt. The extension should be txt. So you close here. We come here. We can also do the same thing here. We can create another test file. Okay, yeah, no problem. This one is okay. We can create another test file also here. So we can say we we are uh, going to we are going to learn. So here we can just say here and learn the tst test file. So you close it, and then we come to this command prompt. First thing you need to do, if we come to the command prompt, you need to that this thing here, you have to put FTP to enter into the FTP mode. Now we have this FTP, so you put FTP with the password. Which password are we going to use? The password is going to be the password. In fact, yeah, the IP address. Sorry, the IP address we're going to use is going to be the IP address of the server. So we will use FTP 192.168.1.2. Yes. So now they will ask us for the password. The password we used today was, in fact, the username was Indy. Indy was the username, then the password was 12330. So we enter. You see, we are logged in successfully. So what we need to do, we created some test file here today. We call it learn learn.txt. So we need to put, you tap put PUT, it means to upload a file. So put and then you see we have writing file len.txt to this one and file transfer in progress. So transfer complete this one. So you tap dir it directory. So now if you tap dir, you come down, you will see our test that we put today. So you see we have learn.txt is here. So we can come to this computer also. Okay, we can come to this computer also. We'll upload this file also. We have another file here. So we can do the same thing, FTP, and then you come here, FTP, the password of the server 192.168.1.2, and then you put ND 123, and then we put also this file called, we create a file called practice, PRACE practice.txt. So we upload it. Now it's correct. So if we put and directory, we will see this file that we just uploaded and then the first file. So you see we have practice.txt is here, and then we have learn.txt. So now we have this file. So we can, if you want to download this file, you can also come here, you put get because it's EARN.txt. So now once you go that there is correct, you see they will say reading complete, and this one also is also, because its copy is also complete. So now what we need to do, let's come here to the server to see these two files that we created if we are going to see them. So you come here, you come to the server here, you come to FTP, and then you come to this area that you are seeing here.